Are you looking for the best drone with screen remote control? In this video we will look at some of the best drone with screen remote control on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Xiaomi S2 Max Drone Professional 8K HD Dual Camera. Professional 8K HD Dual Camera Vertical Bar 8K HD Dual Camera captures stunning visuals with the Xiaomi S2 Max Drone's 8K HD Dual Camera, featuring a wide-angle front lens and a stabilized bottom camera for versatile aerial photography. Obstacle avoidance. Navigate safely with the drone's 720 degrees omnidirectional obstacle avoidance, ensuring it can stop without collision in complex environments. Foldable design. Travel light with the drone's foldable design, making it easy to carry in store, perfect for on-the-go adventures. Number 2. KBDFA S2S Mini Drone 4K 8K HD Camera. Function: up, down, forward, backward, turn left, right side fly, 6K dual camera, altitude hold mode, headless mode, obstacle avoidance, gesture photo, video, 2.4 GHz control frequency, brushless motor, trajectory flight, etc. 6K dual camera. 6K high definition dual camera can capture stunning sharp and vivid images with expansive backgrounds. It also retains the most delicate details and makes your creation much more inspirational. Number 3. Potensic Atom LT 2.5K Camera GPS Drones. Under 249 grams 40-minute max flight time per battery. Opening parenthesis no wind. 2.5K at 30 fps camera, 2560 x 1440 closing parenthesis 118 degrees FOF and vertical 20 degrees to -90 adjustable opening parenthesis no 3-axis gimbal drone closing parenthesis level 5 wind resistance opening parenthesis brushless motor 4 km transmission 4 GNSS GPS, GLONASS, Galileo, BEDA follow me waypoint flying circle flying auto return to home always improving firmware. Number 4. Potensic C04K Camera Drone Professional Mini Drone. Potensic Vertical Bar 3-axis gimbal stabilization capture smooth, steady footage with the 3-axis gimbal, ensuring stable 4K/30 fps video and 12 MP photos. 6 km remote control range. Explore vast landscapes with a 6 km remote control range, providing ample freedom for aerial adventures. 29-minute flight time. Enjoy extended flights with a 29-minute battery life, perfect for capturing long shots or exploring new areas. Number 5. Top F11 Pro 4K F11S Pro 4K Camera Drone. SJRC F11S 4K PRO/F11 4K Pro/F11S Pro 2.5K GPS Drone 5G Wi-Fi FPV Real 4K/2.5K HD 50x Zoom 2-axis stabilized gimbal camera. Professional is brushless quadcopter with Camera and max remote control distance 3000 meters and 1500 meters. Please note we sell 3 different drone models in this link. They are F11S 4K PRO and F11 4K PRO and F11S PRO 2.5K. Please choose the right model and right options you need.